In 2004, a massive tsunami devastated coastlines around the Indian Ocean. Animals, however, seemed to know what was coming. Reports from Sri Lanka described elephants fleeing to higher ground. Indigenous tribespeople, also in tune with nature, followed the animals and survived. Could animals possess a sixth sense that allows them to detect impending natural disasters? The idea of animals sensing danger before humans is not new. Folklore is full of stories about animals behaving strangely before earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and storms. But is there any scientific basis for these claims? Can animals really predict natural disasters? The possibility of an animal's sixth sense is intriguing, suggesting a world beyond our human perception. Perhaps animals are more attuned to subtle changes in the environment, vibrations, electromagnetic fields, or even infrasound that precede these events. Further research is needed to understand how animals might perceive these cues. The scientific community often approaches anecdotal evidence of animal premonitions with skepticism. Scientists demand rigorous, controlled studies to prove a correlation between animal behavior and natural disasters. Many argue that animal behaviors cited as evidence could be attributed to other factors, such as changes in weather patterns or normal animal routines. However, dismissing centuries of anecdotal evidence entirely would be short-sighted. Numerous accounts from diverse cultures and time periods suggest a possible connection between animal behavior and natural disasters. These stories, passed down through generations, deserve careful consideration. For example, in 373 BC, historians recorded rats, snakes, and weasels fleeing the Greek city of Hellas days before a devastating earthquake. More recently, in 2011, an earthquake struck Washington, D.C. days before. Animals at the National Zoo exhibited unusual behaviors, including apes moving to the tops of trees and flamingos huddling together. Earthquakes are particularly difficult to predict, making any potential early warning system incredibly valuable. Some scientists believe that animals might be able to sense subtle changes in the Earth's crust before an earthquake. These changes could manifest as variations in electromagnetic fields, groundwater levels, or the release of gases. Animals are highly sensitive to their surroundings. Birds can detect changes in air pressure. Fish can sense vibrations in the water. And many mammals have a keen sense of smell. It's plausible that animals could perceive subtle environmental cues that humans miss, giving them a life-saving advantage. Studies have shown that some animals, like dogs, can detect changes in barometric pressure, which often drops before an earthquake. Other research suggests that animals might be able to sense infrasound, low-frequency sound waves that humans cannot hear, but are often generated before earthquakes. The possibility of animals possessing a sixth sense for natural disasters is a captivating area of study. While scientific evidence remains inconclusive, the sheer volume of anecdotal evidence and intriguing animal behaviors warrant further investigation. Unraveling this mystery could have profound implications for disaster prediction and saving lives. As we continue to explore the natural world, we must remain open to the possibility that animals perceive the world in ways we are only beginning to understand. By studying animal behavior and their interactions with the environment, we might unlock valuable secrets that could help us better prepare for and mitigate the impact of natural disasters.